How to appear offline on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on your Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Facebook app. Now in order to appear offline on your Facebook, what you have to do is tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Now scroll down and then go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings and now it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and under audience and visibility tap on the last option, which is active status. So simply tap on it and now you will be provided with an option named show when you're active. So it is turned on by default, but if you want to appear offline on others device even when you are online, you simply have to untoggle this bar and then simply tap on turn off. Now this will turn off your active status and you will no longer be shown online or offline. So that is basically how you appear offline even when you are online on Facebook. And now even if you are using Facebook and are online, other people won't see you as online. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.